Today, I want to talk to you about staying motivated as a solopreneur. Just with any other working environment, you can become burnt out or discouraged during your work, but this is especially more likely to happen when you are a solopreneur. Because solopreneurs do all the work themselves, they often feel burnt out and overwhelmed by their own workload. At some point or another, you're going to feel this way if you have not experienced it already as a solopreneur. That's why it's important to know how to stay motivated as a solopreneur. Let's talk about some of these ways now. Anticipate losing motivation. If you're just starting your solopreneur career and have not faced any real motivation hurdles yet, know that you will eventually. No matter who you are, you'll find yourself lacking motivation to work or pursue your solopreneur dreams. To make the journey of finding motivation easier in the future, you need to anticipate losing motivation from the beginning. Anticipating this event will allow you to regroup and handle your time much more rationally and effectively. Part of anticipating loss of motivation involves coming up with a very strong reason why you want to work as a solopreneur in the first place. If you know your why, you can easily fall back on it whenever you need a bit more push to get you through the day. Now that we've talked about anticipating loss of motivation, let's look at the 3 best ways to stay motivated once you start feeling discouraged and beaten down. 1. Stay optimistic. As cheesy as it sounds, the first thing to do when you feel discouraged is to stay optimistic. Staying optimistic can help you focus on the positives, ensuring that you don't make any rash decisions out of pure emotion. You can stay optimistic by looking at all the benefits of work for yourself. For example, working as a solopreneur is a lot of work, but it allows you more freedom over your schedule and your finances, which are 2 things most solopreneurs love. You can also stay optimistic by looking at all of your past and current successes. This will allow you to not get bogged down by any failures or overwhelming obstacles ahead. Take the time to write out all of your little successes to make them seem more realistic. Go a step further by actually celebrating your little successes. Little successes may not seem like much in the grand scheme of things, but celebrating them can make you feel much more energetic and enthused to push through. 2. Take a break. The next way to stay motivated is to take a break. Whenever you feel discouraged and beat down, it's your body's way of telling you that you need a break. Many solopreneurs have a terrible work-to-life ratio since they manage everything themselves. Don't forget to take a break and breathe. This includes weekend and holiday breaks, as well as breaks throughout the day. Make sure to take at least 30 minutes for lunch and take small breaks throughout the day so you don't feel completely overworked by nighttime. 3. Fall back on your why. As we mentioned already, fall back on your why. Falling back on your why can help you stay motivated and look towards the future, even when you feel run down in the present. You can write down your why or repeat it to yourself like a mantra on the days when you need a little extra oomph.